Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Continue to see cloudy skies across the region with low clouds as well as some mild temperatures. That's going to be the case for much of the day today, as we'll see temperatures in the upper 50s, about 10 degrees above normal for this time of year, as well as low clouds lingering across the region until at least about noon today, and then should see possibly some breaks in the clouds by the afternoon hours. No chances of precipitation today or lightning. Could see a little bit of drizzle or mist this morning continuing, but no actual precipitation across the region. Let's take a look at our upper level sounding from this morning. Freezing level at 10,600 feet. Winds out of the northwest in the low levels and becoming more west-southwesterly to westerly in the upper levels, seeing a west-southwesterly wind at 58 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. Our current surface analysis, we have an area low pressure off to our north and east, as well as a cold front off to our west. That cold front will try to move through for this evening, and then we'll see additional disturbance move through for our Friday evening. It looks like it's going to give us a few rain showers across the region. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have lots of upper level clouds across the region, as well as that low level cloud across the area. So abundant cloudiness across the region, and we'll continue to see that throughout the day today. Take a look at the HRRR model for the next 48 hours. You can see the cloud cover across the region today. And then by here at 7 p.m. or 1900 local, it has a little bit of break coming in. I do expect the low-level clouds to break up before that, though. We could see a brief sprinkle during the early overnight hours tonight with this weak boundary moving through, but overall not going to see much in the way of rainfall if we do see it. For Friday, we should remain dry for much of the day, and then by the evening hours, we'll have a upper-level disturbance moving through the region that's going to allow for a very weak area low pressure to develop off to our south. It's possibly going to give us a few rain showers across the region for our Friday evening into the early overnight hours of Saturday. And then the European model for the next few days, look at the long range. Here Friday, you can see there's showers moving through, and then Saturday into Sunday, we're going to have some more upper-level troughiness across the region. It's going to keep more cloudiness in the region for Saturday afternoon. Then Sunday looks like should see a bit more sunshine across the area with another disturbance moving through for New Year's Day. Could possibly give us a sprinkle across the region, but most likely won't see it as this system looks fairly dry across the area. And then into our Tuesday, we'll see an area low pressure develop well off our coast, giving us some more seasonable type weather for our Tuesday into Wednesday of next week, with possibly seeing a little bit of a warming trend for Wednesday. So looking at our risk chart for today, a high of 58 degrees today, a low tonight of 43. Northwesterly winds becoming westerly at 7 to 12 knots, and light and variable overnight. We'll see those ceilings this morning continuing to be below 500 feet at times, and then by the afternoon hours should see it above 500 feet, but can't rule it out with a yellow here, about a 20% chance of seeing some ceilings below 500 feet during the afternoon hours. And then thereafter should see the low clouds start to erode, especially by about 1600 local this afternoon to the evening hours. Should see the low cloud erode across the area, and giving us a possibility of seeing a few peaks of sunshine. Our 24-hour terminal forecast is going to see those low clouds in here, as I mentioned, till about 1600 local. Still a chance we see a broken deck or a ceiling at 1500 feet after 1600 local. And then overnight should see some low cloud build back in the region around 1000 to 1500 feet. Very slight chance of a sprinkle between 2100 local and midnight on Friday, and then we'll see just some clouds around 3000 feet tomorrow morning, with possibility of some restricted visibilities. With those light winds, could see some patchy fall across the area. Our tides are 1 foot above normal. And looking at Friday and Saturday, Friday partly to mostly cloudy, chance of morning low clouds, and we'll see a chance of a shower by the evening, high 55. Friday night, mostly cloudy to overcast, a chance of showers in the evening and early overnight, then partly cloudy to mostly clear skies, and low of 36. And for Saturday, we'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies, slightly breezy winds, high of 49 degrees. So more seasonable on Saturday, and about 30% chance of seeing those showers Friday evening into the early overnight hours of Friday night and Saturday. And the next 7 days, looking at that 30% chance of rainfall on Friday night and Saturday. And other than that, looks like we should stay dry. A very slight chance of a sprinkle on Monday. But overall, looks like dry weather across the region. After today, we should see temperatures get back to more seasonable averages, especially starting the weekend and through early next week. Temperatures on Tuesday look to be the coolest, with a high of only 45 degrees. And today looks like the warmest in the next 7 at 58 degrees. We'll still see some fairly mild conditions tomorrow to end the work week at 55 degrees. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.